Hi guys, we're strolling here in Almoj area. Welcome to Almoj Marina. I love Muscat. The other one is Almoj Muscat. This area is very beautiful. Look at this, guys. Yeah. So beautiful, isn't it? So over there, the Mist Hotel is where we are staying. You want popcorn, Fons? Okay, we go and buy popcorn. So there are the building, the villas. Yeah, this place is very fantastic, and hopefully we can find one nice apartment here, apartment or townhouse that will fit to our needs, like 2 plus 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom plus 1 for the helper. That's what we really need right now. At the back side there are lots of villas. There's the hotel, Almoj Marina. I think this is a restaurant or coffee shop. Go ahead, Pants. Go ahead. Yeah, we will find popcorn.
We'll find popcorn?
Yes.
Popcorn?
The popcorn is over there. We are on our way. It's there, the popcorn. Yum, yum. Okay, we go to the popcorn area. Would you like? It's beautiful, right, guys? Oh my God, I want to live here. Look, there's the wall. See? This is the hotel where we stay right now. What do you want, popcorn or what else do they have? Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. What do you have? Popcorn?
What do you want?
Popcorn, and what is that?
This is meat Turkish with cheese and Nutella inside. Or Nutella inside.
Okay, which one do you like? Popcorn?
What do you like? Sweet corn, popcorn?
Ice cream.
Which flavor? Oh, you have popcorn ice cream as
Yes,
well?
I have ice cream.
So popcorn or ice cream? Ice cream?
Ice cream
Popcorn?
Popcorn?
and
Would you like ice cream as well?
Popcorn.
No, only popcorn.
only popcorn?
Yeah.
What is popcorn and stuff?
How much?
1 million, ma'am.
Okay.
Come in.
May ano na siya, may popcorn. Fans, can I have some popcorn? Share to mommy. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Ay, binawi. Dito lang guys kami naka-stay. There. Fans, watch out your steps. Fancy, watch out your steps because there are stairs over there. See guys, ang ganda dito, masaya. May pa-music. Look at the big tuwa. It's a big tuwa. So we can sit here a little bit. Fast. We can sit here a little bit and enjoy your popcorn. Yeah. Okay, sit down a little bit. Yeah, sit down. So this buggy car is free. You can take it if you go to the mall, to the restaurant. It's exclusive for the Almoj people. Oh, nag-enjoy na siya ng ano, popcorn. Hi, Fast!
Popcorn.
Yeah, good job. You love popcorn? Oh, another buggy car.
Why?
Another buggy car. Don't shake, Fans. Don't shake.
Family.
Yeah, it's a family. What else? So I stay here a little bit. We go ahead walking? Okay, we go ahead. There's bistro. Ayan po guys, ang daming villas, apartments. This is a restaurant. Ang ganda guys dahil napakaraming restaurants sa gilid. Coffee shops. Yeah, it's a popcorn. Maraming coffee shops.
popcorn.
Yes. It's a popcorn. Guys, if you love water sports, there are jet ski, yacht, speedboat for fishing, for diving, or for just a boat tour. Yeah, it's very beautiful, guys.
Family.
Yeah. See, I wish we can find one vacant apartment here because my husband really love a sea view apartment. Oh, Faz, come here, come here. Let's go ahead. Very fresh, yeah. Very fresh weather.
That's a family.
Yeah, that's a family. Once, whenever he found a mother, a father, and a kid, he always say, oh, they are family. It's a family. Look at guys, the houses and apartment.
That's family.
That's dangerous, yeah. So if if the sign says dangerous, you have to be careful. Yes? Yeah. Ganyan mga local guys. Nakasombrero sila ng bilog na sombrero. Mababait naman sila. Very nice. Parang ano, mga parang ang hihinhin lang nila mga local. Here you can see the weather forecast, the time of sunrise, sunsets, tides. Yeah. Almoj Marina. Okay, Fons, come na, come. Let's go ahead. See so many boats. Lots of beautiful apartments. You want to ride in a buggy car? Fons? Hmm?
This is joy
Yes.
for you.
Yeah. Over there are villas. At saka may mall dyan sa loob. Yun, kung saan papunta yung buggy car, nandun yung mall. Sarap tumira dyan, guys. Townhouses, apartments.
Water there.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
What?
Dangerous.
What is dangerous?
Dangerous.
Ah, yeah. Dangerous. Fonzie. Look. If Fonzie, whenever he see this sign, he said dangerous. So guys, dito pwede kayo mag-upo, magkape-kape habang nakatanaw sa
Don't get hurt.
yeah. Diba? Ang ganda lang. Sarap magtambay dito.
And it's dangerous.
Lalo na yung kasama mong tumambay, yung special someone mo. Yeah. Yeah. Tsaka cafe ba talo? Cafe shop. There. Malaki itong Almudge, guys. Hanggang doon pa sa dulo.
Mommy.
Yeah. Doon. At saka still may new development pa na pinapagawa. Ayun, yung may train. Picture din sila, guys. Mga lokal. Sarap mag-boating. Lalo na fresh ang weather. Kaya mag-fishing. Oh, how I love fishing. There are more buildings, more apartments. There.
Mommy, it's a popcorn.
Yeah, it's a popcorn. Ayan o, may coffee shop. Cafe but
Want to
tea.
eat?
Yeah.
Mom.
Thank you, babe. Thank you so much. Sharing is
Carrot.
bravo. Ang haba to, guys. Tsaka dun sa gilid may mga ano dyan, resto, coffee shop. There's another buggy car coming. There's one buggy car coming, Fons. Daming ibon. Lumilipad. May buggy car. Another coffee shop there. Oh, may mga coffee shop.
Another buggy car.
Okay, walk on the side. Fons, walk on the side. Fonzie, side. I said side.
It's a buggy car.
Yeah, it's a buggy car. You want to take one later? Okay. Hamlek Cafe. Next one is Manes Cafe. Manes Cafe is there. Manes Cafe. Daming coffee shop sa gilid. Hanggang dun pa yun sa dulo. Pero hindi na kami pupunta dun. Babalik na lang kami siguro. At doon naman kami sa The Walk. Ito, ano siya, Almudge Marina. Yung The Walk naman, ano naman siya, puro siya restaurant. Sa, ano naman siya, sa kalsada. Pala kabilaan, may mga resto, coffee shop, at iba pang mga kiosk. At tawag naman doon, The Walk. Ito, Almoj Marina. Tsaka doon sa kabila, may ano naman, may mall. Okay? Okay. So, that's it guys. We're heading back to our hotel now, or maybe we stop in somewhere where we can sit down and Fonzie can enjoy running. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, the Almoj Marina. Hope you enjoy.